Hi friends! Welcome to today's English lesson. In the last lesson, we learned about the sounds of the letter Y. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the sounds of the last letter of the alphabet, the letter Z. Don't forget, you have a PDF material where you can find the pronunciation of every word we are going to look in this video. This is the letter Z. The letter Z in English has just one sound. The sound is Z. Z. Check at the image here. You will find what's the position for the mouth in this sound. Z. Z. When we find the Z at the beginning of the word, we read it like zoo, zoo, zebra, zebra, zero, zero, zip, zip, zone, zone, zoom, zoom. When we find the letter Z in the middle of the words, we read it like cozy, cozy, lazy, lazy, crazy, crazy, blaze, blaze. Very good. Now at the end of the words, we read it like breeze, breeze, booze, booze, jazz, jazz, prize, prize, realize, realize, size, 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 sneeze, sneeze. Excellent! Let's practice the sound Z. Z. With these three sentences. The zebra is lazy. It's in the zoo. The zebra is lazy. It's in the zoo. The zebra is lazy. It is in the zoo. Your turn. Very good. The second one. The size of the giraffe is crazy. The size of the giraffe is crazy. The size of the giraffe is crazy. Your turn. Excellent. Now the last one. He is playing jazz in the zero zone. He is playing jazz in the zero zone. He is playing jazz in the zero zone. Your turn. Perfect. Muy bien, hemos terminado todos los sonidos de cada letra del alfabeto. Recuerden, repitan los videos las veces que sea necesario para que se familiaricen con cada sonido. Y cuando también encuentren alguna palabra que ustedes no conozcan su pronunciación, recuerden que pueden mirar en un diccionario sus símbolos IPA para mirar qué pronunciación tiene esa palabra, qué sonido está usando. Muy bien, nos vemos en los próximos videos para los siguientes temas. Bye. Hi.